What's good, everyone, and welcome to part 5 of the series How to Make It as a DJ here in India. If you haven't seen my other videos, I'll request you to please go and watch them. I will link it down in the description box. In the first part, we spoke about learning. In the second part, we spoke about branding. In the third part, we spoke about content. In the fourth part, we spoke about promotion. And in the fifth part, we are speaking about networking. Here in India, in the beginning of your DJing career, it's important to meet the people one-on-one. And you'll have to go out to clubs, you'll have to meet those promoters, you'll have to meet all the booking agents, you'll have to meet them in person. And those are the guys who will help you get that first gig. The most important part is to aim for a few and not a large number. Remember, networking can get you into the door, but your skills are going to keep you in the building. So you'll have to have a mix of both. You can be the best DJ in the world, but if you haven't promoted yourself and if you don't have an online presence, you're going to have a tough time getting booked. Go out to those nightclubs where you want to play. Try to make new friends. Try to meet people who get things done in the industry. But don't be a leech. Try to be friends with the DJ of that nightclub and let them know that you're struggling to get that first gig and show them your skill set. Let them know that you are capable of doing a certain thing and that DJ might get you a gig in that club. But when you go to any club, do not try to cut the DJ. Do not try to get the spot which belongs to somebody else. Be nice. Build the trust and please be more authentic. You'll have to be a bit more regular. You'll have to make your face familiar with people. People should know in the industry that there is somebody like you who is good in their work, who is promoting themselves, who has learned this skill set, and he's trying to network himself and trying to get that first gig. But when you go out, make sure that you don't go to all the clubs. Try to show your loyalty to a certain place. Try to show your loyalty to one promoter. The truth is that the promoter or the club will only get you a gig if they think that you're loyal and you're committed. That's the reality. Another important thing is that you should not target the mainstream clubs in the beginning of your career, because the bigger clubs, the mainstream clubs, have a lot of things going on. They have their calendars ready for the next 1 month or even 2 sometimes. So focus on some of the less popular places and show them what you can do. This will also help in creating that content that you can then promote to the bigger clubs and let them know that you've been doing something. Trigger people's emotions in a good way. In order for the people to remember you, you will have to make them feel valued. See, if they're wearing something good, please give them a compliment. Hey, you're looking good today. All these certain things are going to make sure that that person remembers you. You can even buy them a drink. Like attracts like, guys. You'll have to be a positive soul. If you're a negative person yourself, you're going to only attract negative crowd. You're only going to attract people who are of the same mindset. Try to be more positive and try to approach people with the same kind of mindset. If you're good at networking and if you're good at connecting with people, make sure that you have the skills to back it all up, to back your sweet talk. If you are not good at your skills, you may not get that gig again. You might just get one gig, but they might not book you again. Genuinely ask for help, guys. Don't try to push yourself onto someone. Try to be friends with another DJ. Try to be friends within the community. Try to approach a senior DJ. Try to assist them and learn the networking skills from them. And as I mentioned earlier, DJing is not just about mixing 2 tracks. There are a lot of things that factor in, and it's the whole package. Networking is one of those key ingredients. If you have any questions, please post them down in the comment section below, or you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Bhamra. I would be more than happy to answer all your questions with regards to DJing. If you like what I'm doing, guys, please show some love and hit that like button, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That'll let me know that you guys are interested and it'll inspire me to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for being a part of this series. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. I'll see you guys in the next one.